Fact number 1. The first website was published in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web. Fact number 2. The first iPhone was released in 2007 by Apple Incorporated, and it revolutionized the smartphone industry. Fact number 3. Google was originally called Backrub, and it was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1996. Fact number 4. The first computer mouse was invented in 1964 by Douglas Engelbart, and it was made of wood. Fact number 5. The first hard drive was created in 1956 by IBM, and it could only hold 5 megabytes of data.